Your name is Elmi, right?
Yeah, that's right. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. And yourself?
I'm very good for today. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Very well. This is Global Extreme Company. My name is Ali, and I'm the head of programming department of at this company. And I'm here to interview applicants to fill a position in programming.
Yes, sir. I was emailed and called by phone in order to have a job and interview 2 days ago. So here I'm going to have an interview session with you.
Very good. Can you tell me about yourself, Elmi?
Yes, sir. Let me introduce. My name is Muhammad Ilmi Yahya. I used to work as graphic design and front-end web developer. There I learned various things related to software.
You applied to be our front-end web developer. Do you have any experience of this job?
Of course, I have 3 years and 11 months programming of experience at PT Warnian Teknologi Dunia. When I focus on programmer, I have the manage the speed. I focus on front-end development, and I have managed the speed of first mobile website or application.
Do you have any other experience?
Sure, I have 10 months experience of graphic design. I didn't work as designing announcement or running banner and so on.
Very good. Can you tell me about your education?
I'm graduate of for Smart System Information System at Polytechnic of Banjarmasin. There are a lot about programming, such as HTML, CSS, or JavaScript.
If you work here, you probably get a lot of work. How do you prioritize of work if there is so much work?
I will see it in 2 ways: urgency and important. From those consideration, I will start doing urgent and important job until the last job is neither of them.
You are right about that. I will tell you something. We always work of under pressure. So we hope that here you are not afraid of the under pressure.
Yes, sir. I'm mentally strong person, so maybe I sure can handle it.
Yes, we just worried about you will get stressed in this work.
Yes, thank you, sir. But I rarely get stressed.
Did you enjoy your previous job?
Yes, sir.
When were you most satisfied in your work?
When I complete the job very well, or I see my client or boss satisfied with the work I do.
Okay. Do you have any question for me?
I think I've understood it's enough. And well, then I can start in your company, sir. Step work.
Just kindly waiting the confirmation via email and phone call. Thank you for coming to the interview.
Yeah, I will wait for the confirmation, and I also would say thank you for giving me a chance to come and interview.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, sir.